Last week I've done favorable balance, but the reasons of difference between the cash book and the passbook will be the same for overdraft also. I'll just tell you the overdraft what it is. Ordinary means favorable. As a businessman, we'll have our cash book with us, with the bank, we'll have passbook. We keep on doing the business, so money is there in the bank. That is called favorable. But there are differences due to so many reasons. The reasons could be checks issued but not presented, checks deposited but not, which we have already discussed. Okay, the differences will be the same, but the OD means what happens sometimes the businessman is not in a position to raise some money or his balance is less than what is wanted it. So he will take temporary what you call to say loan from the bank, which is we call it as overdraft facility. He'll ask for a facility asking to draw more than the money what is having in the bank. So that is called OD facility. But however, the bank will not give just like that. They will charge interest on normal basis. But the facility will not be given to every Tom, Dick and Harry, only for the reputed business people where they are very sure about recovering the money, they'll give that facility. So that is the meaning of OD. How the problem has to be solved is just the opposite of ordinary. I'll just give an example, just see how it will be. Suppose, I don't know whether you remember all of you all or forgotten how it will be. Suppose we are going from the ordinary. This is the cash book, this is the passbook. You're able to see? All of you? I think cash book and passbook. I will. You are able to see, yeah. If the cash book, suppose 10,000 is there here. This is also 10,000 is here. I'm talking from ordinary. Ordinary or favorable. Is it clear? Are you able to see? I think you can see now. Suppose you have issued checks ordinary. Suppose you have issued checks 2,000, the bank balance will be reduced. So here checks issued means what? We have issued to someone. So once you issue from the cash book, we reduce it. But checks issued but not presented. When you have issued, the cash book balance will be less and the passbook balance will be more. This is in ordinary. The same thing I am teaching in what? Ordinary or overdraft. Overdraft or unfavorable, we call it as unfavorable. Same here cash book, here passbook. Am I clear? So here same 10,000, here 10,000 is here. Suppose you have checks issued. When you issue checks issued, in the ordinary we minus it here, in the favor overdraft we plus it here. So that is the fundamental difference. Are you clear with this? If you are clear with this, we can understand the problem. In ordinary, what we do? In ordinary, when we issue the checks, our balance will reduce. We had 10,000 rupees. We have issued 2,000. So the bank balance as per cash book will be less. In overdraft, already we have to pay to the banker 10,000 rupees. We have to pay 10,000. And again, we have issued a check of 2,000. So we have to pay to the bank 12,000 rupees. So this is a fundamental difference of what? Ordinary and favorable. So that is what is comes. No, this is the differences will be same. We'll come back. Anyone having doubt, please let me know. I'll discuss with it. So these are the, once again, I'm telling the reasons. Checks issued but not presented for payment is one reason. Checks deposited but not yet collected by the bank is the second reason. Interest on investments, dividends, etc. created in the passbook but not entered in the cash book. This is third. Fourth is bank charges, interest on OD, insurance premium, etc. paid by bank under standing instructions, debited or entered in the passbook. Fourth. Fifth is what? Amount directly deposited by the customers of the trader in his bank account. Checks deposited but not entered in the cash book. Checks debited in cash book but omitted to be sent to bank. So these are the 7 reasons. Means there are many reasons, but standard reasons which normally happens in the bank reconciliation statement I am discussing. So this we have already done. See, balance ordinary 1, 2, 3, 4. I discussed it. 5. Now overdraft will do it. So overdraft as per passbook. So we write here bank reconciliation, same thing. Statement as on a particular date, whatever date. If they have given what the date they get, they didn't give the date. So as on a particular date, we do it. Okay, fine. Okay. This you have done as on particular date. Okay. Now we'll do what is this? Overdraft as per passbook. Just take it here and write. We write overdraft as per passbook. How much he gave? Right. Overdraft as per passbook. You write in the outer column 2,980. Am I clear with this? First step is what? The given book. So please understand the given book is what? In the problem, the given book is what? Here, we'll just make it bold. Yes. Given book is overdraft as per passbook. Add few items. Now all of you will just see the first is what? Checks sent to bank for collection amounted to rupees 5,000, out of which only checks worth rupees 3,800 were collected. So we sent to bank for collection 5,000. So when you send the checks to the bank for collection, we will reduce the OD. So always please remember I told you already, the students who have attended my last class will remember the given book. The given book in the past is what today? Passbook. The passbook is showing less or more, you should check up. Cash sent to bank for collection amounted to 5,000, out of which only 3,800 were collected. That means 1,200 is not collected. When they have not collected, in the passbook, the OD is more. In the cash book, the OD is less. So we are going from which book? Passbook. Passbook OD is more. When the OD is more, we have to less it. Here, less. You tell me, I will discuss with you all again after doing the problem. We'll see how. Okay, less. Okay, less checks sent to bank for collection, out of which only 3,800 were collected. Means how much is not collected? 1,200. I'm putting the full this for you. Yes. Okay, first one is over like that. Then we'll go for the second one. Checks issued where you remember checks issued for were rupees 4,600, out of which only checks for 3,900. So when you issue the checks in OD, already we are having overdraft. When we issue the checks, the OD in the cash book will increase. But the OD in the passbook has increased by only 3,900. The difference is how much? 700 rupees. So when you issue the checks, the OD in the cash book is more and the OD in the passbook is less. So we have to add this one. So we have to add. So we'll go here. Okay. Like that. This is okay. How much the difference is? 700. Right. Okay. Now we'll go back to the next one. Next he says what? A customer directly deposited into her bank account an amount of rupees 5,000. So that means customer directly deposit. When he deposits in the bank, the OD in the passbook will be less. Because directly when they are deposited, already we have to pay to the banker some amount. When our customer directly deposited, they will take that money and our OD in the passbook is less. The given book is what? Passbook. Passbook OD is less means what? We have to add. Again, this 5,000 we have to add. Copy, add here. How much amount? 5,000. Next, we'll go for the next one. What he says, rupees 150 being interest on temporary overdraft is recorded in the passbook only. What does it mean? Temporary overdraft, we have taken overdraft. So when you have taken overdraft, that fellow will charge us interest or not? He'll charge us interest. When he charges interest, it is recorded. Means the OD in the passbook is more. If the OD in the passbook is more, because it is more, we have to less it. Again, this we have to come under less. Copy, less. Yes. Okay. So this is one, then this is A. So for your understanding, we'll come back to the problem. When an amount of rupees 2,500 has been paid to telephone department as per standing instruction. As per standing instruction means sometimes we'll tell to the bankers, whatever our receipts will come, I mean bills will come, please pay on our behalf. हमारे नाम के ऊपर पे कर दो. हमारे अकाउंट में जो आता है हमारे नाम से, वो बैंक को हम बोल देते हैं कि स्टैंडिंग इंस्ट्रक्शन दे देंगे, आप पे करो. तो उन लोग पे करेंगे. पे करे तो क्या होता है? ऑर्डिनरी में क्या होता है? हमारा पैसा घटेगा. इधर ऑर्डिनरी नहीं, ओडी पहले हम उनको देना है. ओडी में हम देना है और नदर 2,500 अभी आगे और उन्हें दिए, तो ओडी पासबुक में बढ़ जाएगा. तो पासबुक इज शोइंग मोर. व्हेन इट इज शोइंग मोर, हम क्या करेंगे? उसको लेस करेंगे. इधर लेस आ जाएगा. ओके, दिस इज थर्ड वन. ये कितना है? ये 150 है. ये कितना है? ये 2,500 है. अभी देखेंगे अभी क्या हो रहा है. रुपीज 400 being interest on fixed deposit is recorded in the passbook only. Interest on fixed deposit means हमारे fixed deposit जो है उसका इंटरेस्ट आ रहा, तो इंटरेस्ट क्या करे? पासबुक में रिकॉर्ड हो रहा, तो हमारा पैसा आया ना, तो ओडी पासबुक में थोड़ा घटेगा. ऑलरेडी हम देना है अपना इंटरेस्ट जो उनको मिल रहा है, तो हम उन लोग क्या करते हैं, हमारे बैलेंस जो ओडी है उसमें से 400 निकाल देते. क्यों? होता है हमारा फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट का इंटरेस्ट उधर मिला उनको, तो मिलने से क्या होता है? पासबुक. सो दे हैव रिसीव्ड आवर इंटरेस्ट ऑन फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट. सो व्हाट हैपेंस? आवर ओडी इन द पासबुक विल गेट रिड्यूस्ड. सो पासबुक इज शोइंग लेस. लेस मींस व्हाट? वी हैव टू add this much. Anyone having doubt, please chat with me in the chat box. I'll just see and clear your doubts. No one is having doubt. Please, you tell me whatever your doubts are there, I'll clear. Right. The add and less. Now next is what after? This is 400. Next is what? Cash paid to a creator 1000 erroneously entered in the bank account of the cash book. हम क्या करें? एक क्रिएटर को कैश दे दिए, but we have entered as if we have paid by check. तो हमारा OD in the cash book we have increased. We have not paid them. We have not issued any check. We have entered in the bank account of the cash book. Bank account of the cash book means हम पेमेंट में लिखे कि हम चेक दिए और वो जाके बैंक में लेगा. वो हम कैश देने से he will not go to the bank. So OD in the passbook will be the same. OD in the cash book will be more. So we are going from the passbook. Passbook OD is what? Less. Less means what? We have to add this. Okay. This is what? 1000. Next, the last one more is there. A check of for rupees 600 was issued and again cancelled. Only the issue was recorded and cancelled. हम क्या करें? We have given a check. We showed as if issued. Then there was some problem was there. We cancelled it. But we have recorded only the as if we have issued it. When we issued it, what happens? Our OD in the cash book will increase. हमारा OD cash book में बढ़ जाएगा. फिर हम कैंसिल करें तो क्या वो बंदा चेक नहीं जाएगा, बैंक को नहीं जाएगा. तो OD in the passbook वैसे ही रहेगा, but OD in the cash book बढ़ गया. So OD in the cash book is more, in the passbook it is less. In the we are going as for passbook it is less means what? We have to add this. So these are the first step is what? Putting add and less. Now what you do all this? Figure, you write the figure here. ये कितना है? You put the figure here. The total figure is 5,000, 6,000, 7,700. You put here 7,700. No. Okay. Now what you do after this? Total will be how much? 0, 8, 9, 10, 16, 3, 10. 10,680. ये होगा तुम्हारा टोटल. अभी ये 10,680 होगा ना. Now you take this total here. You draw a line here, underline करो, इधर total देखो. You have to write. ये कितना होता? 3,700, 850. 3,850 होगा इधर. Out of 3,850, now this will be the this minus this. इधर क्या होता? 0, 8 minus 5, 3, 16 minus 8, 8, 9 minus 3, 6. So this is the, you'll write overdraft, you write here, overdraft as per cash book. This is what you have to. Any questions are there, please now put it. Your doubts, I'll explain it. This is your overdraft as per cash book. Yes. All of you are clear? Any questions, please? No one is asking. So we started the problem. Overdraft as per passbook, you write here. Stalin, any doubt? You can chat with me. Anyone having doubt?
Sir, I unmuted all the participants.
Yes, thank you very much. Yes, please, thank you. That is what is important for me. Now, anyone can unmute and ask me the doubt. See, I started with overdraft as per passbook. The given book is what? Passbook. Someone said yes. Not audible. Okay, Abhi. Sir, how we do adjusted cash book? That adjusted cash book, I'll tell you, this is not the problem. This is only the overdraft as per. So adjusted cash book is what happens. First we have to adjust the cash book with the items which are not recorded or unrecorded, all that, and adjust the cash book balance. Then start the BRS. After doing the adjusted cash book, then we have to do the BRS. That problem I'll teach you afterwards. First I taught you ordinary. Now I'm teaching you overdraft as per passbook. Then I'll do the adjusted cash book. Okay, that is no problem. Isme pucho abhi. What did I tell you? In the ordinary, this problem I started with what? Balance as per passbook is given, OD as per passbook. So the given book is passbook. Yes. Sir, how do we? Okay. Akash, I will explain you afterwards. Let me finish this. Okay. Adjusted cash book, we have to do, Akash, cash book mein jo not recorded, unrecorded items hai, first we have to record them in the cash book, and you have to find out the balance as per cash book. Then the reconciliation will be done. The items which are not appearing in the cash book and the passbook will take it and do the reconciliation. That I'll come back to you. Okay, not issue. This I am doing. From the following particulars, you are required to ascertain the bank balance as it appear in the cash book. Okay, so balance as per what book is given? OD as per passbook. So the given book is passbook. First point. Checks issued to checks sent to bank for collection amounted to 5,000. We have sent to bank for collection. हमारे पास जो customers checks दिए, we have taken that and sent to bank for collection. When we are sending to the bank for collection, हमारा OD हम क्या करके 5,000 हम passbook cash book में OD कम कर देते, because that will be collected by the bank and bank will reduce. But bank ने खाली 3,800 collect किया, so he has reduced the OD by 3,800. The difference of 1,200 OD है, so passbook OD is showing more. The given book is what? Passbook. Passbook OD is more means we have to less 1,200. So this is what first का. Second का देखो, फिर से I am explaining. Checks issued were 4,600. Issued means what? We have given to our customers and all checks they did. When we issue the checks, the OD in the cash book will increase. It has got increased. But 3,900 only went to the bank and collected. That means 700 rupees they have not taken from the bank. So OD in the passbook it is less. So we are going from the passbook. So OD in the passbook is less means we have to add 700 rupees. So this is the 700. Then third, a customer directly deposited into her bank account an amount of 5,000. So when customers directly deposit it into bank, the OD in the passbook will be what? Less. Because the customer has paid, the OD in the passbook घटेगा. So passbook में OD कम हो गया. Because we are going from passbook OD is less. So we have to add. Add how much? This add of 5,000. देखो हम 5,000 add कर दिए. Good. Then next, rupees 150 being interest on temporary overdraft is recorded in the passbook only. हमने बैंक से मैं बोला ना, overdraft facility normally will be a temporary period for a month or a two, not more than that. तो facility देने से they will give, we can overdraft more than what our balance is, but they won't give you just like that. They will charge you interest. तो उन्होंने अपना 150 rupees charge किया, तो OD in the passbook बढ़ेगा. तो passbook it is showing more, because passbook it is showing more, we have to less 150. So we have done 150 less temporary overdraft. Next होगा, an amount of rupees 2,500 has been paid into telephone department as per standing instructions. we have paid 2,500. The bank has paid. हमने बैंकर को थोड़ा स्टैंडिंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे दिए कि भैया हमारे कोई भी बिल्स आए कुछ भी आए तो आप पे कर देना, लाइक टेलीफोन बिल, इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम, या तो रेंटल, और तो स्कूल फीस बच्चों का जो भी है, तो स्टैंडिंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस हम दे देंगे तो बैंकर पे कर देगा. व्हेन ही पेज द ओडी, नॉर्मली क्या रहेगा, अगर ऑर्डिनरी फेवरेबल रहे तो बैलेंस घटेगा, ओडी रहे तो बैलेंस बढ़ जाएगा. तो ओडी इन द पासबुक इज मोर. मोर मींस व्हाट, वी हैव टू लेस. लेस कितना, 2,500, ये लेस होगा. अभी देखो ₹400 बीइंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट. हमारा जो फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट है उसमें इंटरेस्ट आ गया ना, तो इंटरेस्ट बैंक को मिला. अगर ऑर्डिनरी रहता तो अपना बैलेंस बढ़ेगा, बिकॉज ओडी है तो ओडी जितना भी हम देना है बैंक को, वी हैव टू पे whatever amount. From that amount, ₹400 will be deducted because our money they have received it. So OD will be reduced in the passbook. So OD घटेगा पासबुक में. तो पासबुक is showing what, less. Less means what, हम क्या करेंगे, ऐड कर देंगे 400. उसके बाद क्या हो रहा, through a cash paid to a creditor 1,000, erroneous means by mistake entered in the, हम कैश दिए बट by mistake बैंक अकाउंट में डाल दिया, as if we have given a check. तो बंदा तो नहीं जाएगा बैंक को, तो ओडी पासबुक में वैसे ही रहेगा, बट ओडी इन द कैश बुक बढ़ेगा. तो कैश बुक इज शोइंग मोर एंड द पासबुक इज शोइंग लेस. बिकॉज द पासबुक इज शोइंग लेस, द गिवन बुक इज शोइंग लेस, वी हैव टू ऐड दिस ₹1,000. अगेन I 1,000 I've added here, cash paid. Then last one is what, a check for ₹600 was issued and again cancelled. हम चेक इश्यू करें किसी को, बट वो कस्टमर बोला नहीं साहब हमें चेक नहीं चाहिए, हमारे को कैश ही चाहिए. तो हम क्या करें, उसको कैंसिल करके उसको चेक कैश दे दिए. बट दैट ओनली इश्यू वाज रिकॉर्डेड, बैंक में कैश बुक में इश्यू रिकॉर्ड करे बट कैंसिलेशन फिर नहीं करें, तो ओडी इन द कैश बुक बढ़ेगा, ओडी इन द पासबुक विल बी लेस कंपेयर टू. तो पासबुक ओडी इज लेस, तो हम क्या करेंगे, अगेन विल ऐड इट 600. तो ये सब टोटल क्या करेंगे, ऐड करके इधर डालेंगे, ऐड का ऐड कर देना इसको, फिर लेस का इधर डाल के लेस का लेस कर दिया तो ओडी एज पर कैश बुक आ जाएगा. Any questions? Please tell me now. All of you. No one has put any question. No, I'll just give you 5 minutes. Will anyone try this problem? Fast. Fast. I'll just give you 5 minutes. Try karo. The OD, the bank passbook showed an OD of rupees. So overdraft as per passbook again 6,500 on 31st December. I'm giving 5 minutes. Jaldi karo. Try. If you have doubt, you can put it. I will do the problem again. Yes, please. Sorry. I'm giving 5 minutes. Fast. I'll make big. You can see. From the following purchase, you are required to ascertain the bank balance as it appear in the cash book of Mr. Das as on 31st December. Jaldi, fast. I'll give 5 minutes. Anyone? Any doubt? 5 minutes I'm giving. After that, I'll do it. Answer bhi diya hua hai. I gave answer also. OD balance as per cash book 7025. 70. Very good. Who is this? Who has done this? Akash Karmakar has done. Congratulations. Give him a big hand. Very good. I'm happy, Akash. 7025 is perfectly. OD as per cash book. Good. Others, did you understand? If you have not understood, I will do the problem. Anyone, please tell me who have understood, not triangle. I'll just give 1 more minute. Akash has done it perfectly correct. You can, if you get this problem, these 2 problems, if you do it, you can answer any problem in the exam. Samantha, of Girija, Sanjay, someone else. Who else is this? Samantha done. Okay, done. Got the answer, Samantha. Very good. Then Akash has done. Samantha, Girija, Sanjay, Aditi Mane, Lenova. Very good. Lenova also has done. Who is Lenova? I do not know, but he also got the answer. Very good. Good going. Very happy. Akash has asked me about amended cash book, isn't it? Akash, I don't have the problem right now. Maybe I'll do it in the next class something. But one information for you, Akash, in the exam, you will not get amended cash book. You don't have to, others don't have to worry about it, okay? Either you get balance as per cash book, ordinary or overdraft. You will not normally, never ever, you got amended cash book problems. Amended cash book means people have to understand that they have to amend the cash book, means cash book has to be amended and they have to arrive at the balance as per cash book. Then they have to do the bank reconciliation statement, taking the differences between the cash book and the passbook. That is what it is. All the things which are mistakenly done in the cash book have to be amended first. Then we have to do the reconciliation with the cash book and the passbook. Anyone else? Girija, Sanjay? Who else is there still? Viswas, Pramanik, others, just see if you have doubts still. Murli Sri, Anbarasi. Acha, Murli Sri and Anbarasi, in the morning you attended my class, I think. You are the same one who have attended my morning class on fundamentals. You can unmute and talk. You have been given the this thing to unmute. Murli, Anbarasi, all that. Sashi, no one's, only 2-3 have done. Others have not tried it also. Okay, let us not waste much time. Can I start? Others teaching you or you are being?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, this is Akash.
Akash, tell me Akash. Good.
सर अगर एग्जाम में नहीं आएगा तो सर एडजस्टेड कैश बुक को छोड़ ही देते हैं, उसको सर समझेंगे नहीं सर?
नहीं समझो, 100% मैं बोल रहा नहीं आएगा एग्जाम।
तो फिर सर उसमें सर नहीं खपाएंगे सर फालतू?
नो नीड। यस,
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच
जी। ये तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट आकाश यू अंडरस्टूड नाउ क्लियर। बस यही स्टैंडर्ड में आएगा आपको। तो कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ जाना कि पासबुक और कैश बुक का ले लेना। द गिवन बुक देख लो, गिवन बुक कैश बुक है, पासबुक है। पासबुक अगर घटेगा तो पासबुक्स में जाओ, कम हो तो ऐड करो, ज्यादा है तो कम करो, बस उतना है। वेरी सिंपल, बस।
ओके सर, ओके सर,
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। एनीवन एल्स? मुरली श्री, अंबारी, सार कुमार, और कुछ है डाउट? So I'll do this. Someone, people who have not done it, I'll explain them. Just give me. So the given book what? They said the bank passbook showed an overdraft of 6,500 31st December 2018. So we write bank reconciliation statement as on 31st, like that, 31st December 2018. Heading. The overdraft as per passbook given is how much? They have given overdraft as per passbook is how much? They said 6,500. Just put 6,500 in the outer column. This is what it is. That's all. That. Then add, these few items. Add what he says here. Now you just go through the problem. What did he say? Interest on overdraft for 6 months ending 31st December 2018, 250 debited in the passbook, but it is not recorded. So interest on OD. Abhi main pata hai na, I told you the banker will charge you some interest. So interest on the OD means was entered in the passbook. The passbook is showing more. The given book is showing more. So when it is showing more, what you have to do? You have to less it. Less kar dena. Less. Less what? That same amount. Less is what? Here. You just write. Bus. Bus less. How much? 250. This is what it is. Okay. Interest on over for 6 months was debited in the passbook only. If you want, you can use a word instead of writing. That's all. Okay. Next he says what? Bank charges for the above period also debited in the passbook only. Again, bank charges kya hota? Passbook is showing more. More means what? Again, less. एक कॉपी करो, ये इधर लेस करो, बस इधर लेस. वेरी गुड. ये भी होगा 25. गुड. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट ही सेज, checks issued but not cash prior to 31st December. When you issue the checks, what happens? Cash book will be showing, or in ordinary it will show less, in the OD it will show more. So cash book it is showing more and passbook it is showing less. So add kar dena. This we have to add. Add how much? Copy, add. Bas. Add 1,500. Good. Next is what? Then checks paid into but not cleared. When you pay into the bank, what happened? OD in the cash book is reduced, but not cleared. They have not cleared. So OD in the passbook is just like that. So udhar OD nahi ghata, cash book mein ghata. So passbook is showing more. So more means what? हम क्या करेंगे इसको less में दिखलाएंगे. बस ये 2,500 ये होगा तुम्हारा. Easy. This is actually very easy. Next, interest on investments collected by the bank and credited in the passbook amount. So interest on investments bank collect kar liya. When they have collected, the passbook is showing what? OD less, because they have collected our interest. So OD in the passbook is less. Less means what? We have to add this. Add 1,800. ये 1,800. अभी ये टोटल हम करेंगे. इधर डालेंगे. इधर कितना और आपका अमाउंट? 3,300. ये 3,300 डालने से it will be 9,800. Right. I hope others have understood now. Now you put this, इधर आ गया 9,800, इसका टोटल कितना आ गया 2,750, 2,775, ये डाल के इधर यू राइट. नो 800 में 775 गया तो 25 0. अभी होगा 9 में 2 गए तो 7. अपना आंसर व्हाट वाज द आंसर हियर 7025. We got 7025. We will write here overdraft. This is what overdraft as per tax book. Simple. They got it. Others got it. This is your answer. So this is how you have to answer the questions. Tell me any questions now. We'll have all of your question answer session. So this is ordinary. So all those problems which I have given, no, you can consider them as what? ये जो problems में दिया ना ordinary के, you just think it is overdraft. Instead of bank balance as per cash book, तुम बोलो overdraft as per cash book करके pass answer करो. You can have practice. But you can't get more than these problems, you know, ordinary and OD. Okay, Akash, Anbaris, any questions? Anyone? कोई पूछ रहा नहीं? No one is asking any doubt. समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा? Are you able to follow or no? Yes, please. Murli Sri, Anbarasi, R Kumar, राणे, आर कुमार, और कौन है? प्रामाणिक, विश्वास, समन has come. Yes. Ambaris, yes. समझ में आ गया. Very good. So these problems you practice it. Your questions, any questions आपको पूछना है तो पूछो. You have any problem, any questions you have, you can ask me please. So this is ordinary problem. I'll just give you 5 minutes. We'll see, just see how much you remember. Do it fast. Ordinary ka? Anyone? This is ordinary. Favorable rate तो कैसा करते? Bank balance as per cash book दिया. Try करो. Yes. Yeah. He is also. Everyone is understood. Akash understood. Someone yes sir. They said yes sir. Good. I'm happy. You try this, Akash, Redmi, Pramanik, Lenovo. Fast, fast. This is ordinary. You should think from the ordinary point of view and see. Rane also yes said yes. Good. Very good. Everyone has understood. I'm happy. Still, if anyone having doubt, please don't hesitate. Push लेना भाई. Doubt रहता. Sir, please explain the meanings of withdrawal column, bank column, dishonored check. Withdrawal column. Very good, Akash. You are able to do it. He says, sir, please explain meanings of withdrawal. Is there any? Withdrawal matlab kya hai? You are drawing the money. Withdrawal means what? Withdrawal column means withdrawal column and bank column ka is nothing. Dishonored check is what happened when we have deposited check into the bank. You honor 7C when you have deposited a check into the bank. When someone has given a check and it is we have deposited into bank, the check is dishonored. Usko bolte dishonor bolte. Dishonored check means what? We have deposited a check into the bank. हम check bank में डाले. कोई हमें बंदा check दिया है 10,000 का, हम बैंक में डाले to for the collection. उसमें balance नहीं रहेगा या तो signs correct नहीं रहेगा या तो नाम correct नहीं रहेगा. Something is there, date कुछ wrong रहे तो dishonored. For want of so many reasons, the check will be dishonored. उसको बोलते हैं dishonored check. Withdrawal column बोलते क्या है? Withdrawal column में क्या रहता? Whenever we are drawing the money from the passbook, a bank, वो passbook में रहता withdrawal column, उसको बोलते हैं passbook. Due to discrepancy. इधर क्या? इधर है. Ambarasi, you are asking me due to discrepancy means due to discrepancy means due to what you call to say by mistake. Discrepancy means what? By mistake hoga. Discrepancy in English. No sir, dishonored checks are due to so many discrepancy means what? There is a change in the date. उसको बोलते date instead of 2021 के बदले में we wrote 2020 लिख देंगे, या तो मंथ के जगह डेट लिख देंगे, या तो सिग्नेचर रॉन्ग होगा, या तो बैलेंस नहीं. ड्यू टू सो मेनी डिस्क्रिपेंसीज मींस थोड़ा गलत हो गया, उसको बोलते हैं रॉन्ग चीजों को डिस्क्रिपेंसी बोलते हैं. वो मिसमैच हुए तो उसको बोलते हैं डिस्क्रिपेंसी, उसको बोलते हैं डिसऑनर. ओके. अंडरकास्ट ओवरकास्ट बोले तो अंडरकास्ट मींस व्हाट यू नो. सी सपोज ये अंडरकास्ट ओवरकास्ट इसमें नहीं आएगा, बट आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग यू. अंडरकास्ट बोलते तो क्या है? अभी वी हैव इशूड चेक्स टू द बैंक. हम चेक इशू करें 10,000 का. 10,000 का चेक हम बैंक कस्टमर को दे दिए, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग 10,000 वी हैव रिटन 8,000 9,000. तो बैंक कैश बुक वाज अंडरकास्ट, उसको बोलते हैं अंडरकास्ट बोल देते. 10,000 हम चेक we have issued checks of 10,000. In the payment side, instead of writing 10,000 we wrote 9,000. So the cash book is undercast. उसको बोलते हैं undercast. Overcast means we have issued a check of 10,000 but we wrote 12,000. So the cash book is overcast. Very good. Lenovo got the answer. ये Honor 7C जो भी है, sir, undercast, overcast to please in English. Did I understand? Undercast means what? We have issued a check of 10,000 but we wrote 9,000 in the cash book. It is the cash book is undercast. Suppose that you have given a check for 10,000 and you wrote in 12,000 in the cash book, it is overcast. उसको बोलते हैं undercast, overcast. Any questions, please? Yeah, very good, Lenovo. You got the answer. Good. Right. So yes, you have understood. No issue. No thanks. You can ask me any doubts. I'll clear it. Still, if you have any doubts, no. Please ask the doubts. Very good. Ambar has also got. Someone else is asking. Could we get some more problems in, if available, please? Yeah, I will send it to manager training. He will post you. Okay. But if you can practice the 6-7 problems, no, all of you should be able to do it. You get the hang of it. Okay. Right. Concept, you should only understand the English part of it. The problems will be the same. Checks issued, but not all the reasons. Either come ho gaya, udhar zyada ho gaya, we have entered here less, undercast here, overcast there. Instead of entering on the debit side, we entered on the It said checks issued 10,000 but presented like that, it will come. You should understand which book is showing more. The given book is showing less or more, you check up, then you will get the answer. Given book is showing less, you add it. Given book is showing more, you less it. That's it. Any questions, please? Others got the answer. Only 2, 3 have given the answer. Others, did you understand? They keep telling. Please practice these problems, these 6 problems in ordinary and favorable. You will get the hang of the chapter, not an issue at all. Yes, someone still. A bill received for ₹700 previously discounted with the bank had been dishonored and debited in the passbook. Sir, how to treat? Yes, a bill received for ₹700 previously discounted with the bank had been dishonored. We got the check when we have discounted the bill. On the due date, the bill has to be honored, but the bill has been dishonored. So passbook may, if it is ordinary, the balance will be lesser. In the OD minute, the passbook balance will become more because the bill received previously discounted. We thought the customer will honor the bill and bank will get the money, but bank has not got the money. In ordinary, passbook will be less. In OD, passbook will be more. That's it. Okay? Okay, Honor? Understood? I will take next class, next time I'll take rectification on errors. I'll take next class on rectification of errors, but yes, okay, you understood. Good. So this is what previously discounted means what we have discounted the checks. Previously bill received means अपने को जो आने का है, we discounted the bill and took the money from the bank. On the due date, the customer has to honor the bill. If he has dishonored the bill, the banker will debit our account means हमारा account में घटेगा, balance रहे तो OD रहे तो balance बढ़ जाएगा. That's it. Good. Very good question. You have understood. I'm happy that. So such questions will come. Only mainly you have to understand what this whatever is given, will it increase or decrease the balance given book? If the given book is more, you have to less it, and the given book is less, you have to add it. Very good. Any questions, please? Viswas, Pramanik, others are not asking anything. Murli Sri, Anba Rasi. Good. Any questions, please? Yes, any, no questions? Renova, Ambarisa, Murli, Akash, Pramit, good. Nageshwar garu, ask any doubts are there?
Sir,
Yeah. I'm done. They wanted some more practice problems and they wanted errors. Maybe next time I'll give them some problems. You can forward to them. And
Yeah.
next time,
yes, sir, I can post in the WhatsApp groups also.
yes, yes,
Any problems, sir.
yes, very good. And they
And
want,
you can discuss with them in the next session.
yes,
Regarding
they wanted errors of rectification. They want, it seems.
Yeah, we'll schedule it, sir.
We'll schedule it. Yeah.
Schedule
Okay.
in the next week.
Next time, yes.
Sir, is it a continuing session or over, sir?
Yeah, I cleared all their doubts. They said they have done with it. I cleared their doubts. I gave one problem. That's it. They're done with it.
Can you wind up this session, sir?
Yeah, yeah. You ask them if there's still any doubt is there. I'll clear. Otherwise-
Participants, all are unmuted. Any queries, please ask. And
they have sent-
feedback also for today's session.
Someone had doubt. No queries as of now. Okay. There
Yeah.
won't.
We can wind up this session, sir. Sir, I am this participants. Please download from the chat box this today's PPT. Yeah, it is uploaded in the chat box.
Someone, thank you. Is there
On
anything?
behalf of the academy, I thank Dr. G. Vijay Kumar, faculty FM, for explaining BRS in a simple way with the examples and make the session is interactive. Thank you, sir. To remind you, participants, tomorrow login time is 2:45 p.m. The session timing is 3 to 4:45. The schedule as per the posted in the WhatsApp group. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.